हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ अध्या एंड आज मैं कुछ कुकिंग करने वाली हूँ। सो बेसिकली ये एक रेसिपी है जो बहुत ही यमी है और बहुत ही कम टाइम में भी बन जाती है। सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट टू शेयर दिस रेसिपी विथ यू गाइज। सो फाइनली मैं बता रही थी कि मैं आज क्या बनाने वाली हूँ। सो मैं आज बनाने वाली हूँ मग केक एंड मैं आप लोगों को सिखाऊंगी भी कि इसे कैसे बनाते हैं। सो लेट मी टेल यू गाइज फर्स्टली, मतलब this is a very easy recipe and a very yummy recipe as well. This matlab if you want to eat some cake and something like that and you do not have a lot of ingredients to make up that cake, so you can make this at home and this doesn't require oven at all. So let's get started. So firstly, the ingredients and one main utensil which we will be needing is this mug in which we will be making our mug cake. So you have to make sure that the mug is microwave safe. Now the next ingredient is biscuits. Now over here I have taken cream biscuits, but if you do not have cream biscuits, you can also go with the normal biscuits or whatever biscuit you like to eat. You can have those biscuits with you. So here I have the biscuits. You can take the biscuit amount by how much mug cake, like how many mug cakes you need to make. I am making one here. We need 5 to 6 tablespoons of milk. Now we will be needing baking powder. Now we are needing, we need to take baking powder so that our cake rises. And next we will be needing oil. And a whisk. So in case you do not have a whisk at home, you can use a fork as well to mix it properly. Now we will be grinding the biscuits. So I'm gonna put these biscuits into my grinder. Now let's grind these biscuits. Okay, so over here we have grind our biscuits. Now you need to make sure that the biscuits are like very finely grind. You can see. And now we are going to start making our batter. So let's begin. So firstly over here I'm going to take my biscuit crumbs or the grind biscuit, whatever you want to call it. Now I will put baking powder in it. And now we will add our milk. And now we will add the oil. Now let's mix this. Okay, you can see our batter is ready. It's not too thin and not too thick as well. And now we will brush some oil so that our cake doesn't stick. Make sure you brush it on the sides and down as well. Okay, so I've brushed the oil and now we'll put the batter in. Okay, so over here we have put the batter in our mug, you can see, and now we're going to tap it a little so it sets. Now you need to make sure that you don't fill it till the top, because then it's going to rise, so it's going to like overflow, which we do not want. So we'll just leave a little gap. Okay, now I will be putting my mug cake, which is ready to go in the microwave. Now I will be setting this. for 2 minutes, and yes, it's gonna be cooked in 2 minutes. So let's wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so you can see that our mug cake is all ready. You can see we had put only this much of batter till here, and it it rised so much. And I'll just show. This is cooked. See, it's fully cooked and it's very fluffy. So now you can see over here I have taken some chocolate spread. Now this is totally optional. If you don't want to include an icing in here, you can leave this part as well. So I'll just put the chocolate spread and I'll spread it a little. Okay, so over here you can see I have put the chocolate spread nicely. I've spreaded it, and now this the second part is also optional, to add chocolate chips. If you do not want to add chocolate chips, you can add something else. If you do not want like a topping or to decorate it or something, it is totally up to you. So this these two parts were really optional to decorate our mug cake. Okay, so our mug cake is fully ready, and I'm sure like this, you can see how quick it was and how tasty and delicious it looks. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you liked this video and the recipe. Do try this recipe at home. It's very easy, it's very simple, and it's very delicious and yummy and mouth-watering as well. I don't have words to describe this yummy recipe. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye. And wait, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, give this video a big thumbs up if you like this recipe, and comment down below which video shall I do next, or maybe how did you like this recipe, are you gonna try it or not. And I'll see you next time. Bye.